Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this video helpful. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience using Nextcloud. Nextcloud, found at nextcloud.com, offers a robust, self-hosted platform for managing and syncing your digital life. Imagine having your own personal cloud storage, similar to Dropbox or Google Drive, but entirely under your control. That's the core concept behind Nextcloud. Instead of entrusting your data to a third-party provider, Nextcloud empowers you to host your files, contacts, calendars, and more on your own server. This provides significant advantages in terms of privacy and security, as you have direct oversight over your data and its accessibility. Setting up Nextcloud does require some technical know-how, but numerous tutorials and resources are readily available to guide you through the process. Once configured, you can access your files from virtually any device using dedicated desktop and mobile apps, or through a web browser. Beyond simple file storage and syncing, Nextcloud boasts a rich ecosystem of apps and integrations. You can collaborate on documents in real time, manage your to-do lists, conduct video conferences, and even stream your music collection, all within the Nextcloud environment. Think of it as a centralized hub for your digital world. Furthermore, Nextcloud's open-source nature allows for extensive customization and extensibility. The platform boasts a vibrant community of developers who continually contribute new features and enhancements. This constant evolution ensures that Nextcloud remains a cutting-edge solution for personal and professional data management. For those who prioritize data privacy and control, or simply prefer the flexibility of a self-hosted solution, Nextcloud provides a compelling alternative to mainstream cloud services. Exploring Nextcloud.com will provide further insights into its capabilities and the potential it offers for reclaiming ownership of your digital footprint.